morning! Hey, say good morning.
Hello.
Loud.
Hello.
Look at the beautiful sky. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. The moon is there, but of course this camera is. Wow! Look at the sun rising, Etana. See that? Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's a perfectly clear sky today. Clear. Look at the color. Wow. Look at the rays coming out. Isn't they all? Beautiful. That's why I like morning drives, and that's why I like convertibles. Get a convertible, people. Anything. Oh, look at. Wow. Look at the color. So beautiful. Good morning. Yet another morning drive here at our Temple of Speed. Yeah, let me walk around, bring you guys around. And if it's your first time watching, I am Bobby. It's a Volvo, Swift Sport, CLA, STI. Look at that with gumball livery. Very nice. Yeah, that's a famous RX-7. That's a DB7 Vantage. When you call it a DB7 Vantage, it means it has a V12 engine. And this is a time capsule. Yeah, this car is in super good condition. Alright, let's go for a short walk. We have Megane RS. Thomas brought up the Lotus Electra R. This car is crazy fast, he said. It's crazy fast. At places where his Porsche Spider usually reach 130, this car is reaching 180. Yeah. Oh, that's a beautiful M3 V8. Yep, the E92. Little cabrio. Morning. Audi S5. I think that's Gary. This is Mr. Laurie's car. Mr. Laurie is from Netherlands. He was in the company that designed and built our KLIA. And after building KLIA, he fell in love with Malaysia and he decided to stay on ever since. Yep. Lovely MX-5. Morning. Oh, that's a Civic Type R. I really like this generation Type R back then. Looks cool. Yeah, Lexus IS. Oh, that Cayenne has been looking for parking for a while now. And if we run out of parking over there, we'll have parking over here. Zhou-san! Morning! Yeah, that is Mr. Denzel. The king of rims. No. King of rims will zap me here, slap me here. Yeah. So he's the guy who designed and makes beautiful wheels. For a lot of cars you will notice were all on DRC wheels. And he's the founder of DRC. Yeah. Lovely wheels. That's the brand, DRC. Alright. But his waiting list is 3 to 4 months. So if you want his wheels, it's going to be 3 to 4 months before you receive yours. So a lot of us here are using his wheels. Yeah, very nice. See, DRC forged wheels. Yeah, that's the brand. Take note. Okay, shout out to my good friend Denzel. Alright, that's a beautiful 993. Some heavy duty cars here. Morning. Beautiful Spider, AMG. Morning. So, always. Beautiful. That's a beautiful mod. Oh, this car is really low. And this car is forever so good looking. And another beauty as well. 718 Spider. Lovely. We have less cars today than usual, you know. But it's always nice to see everybody here. All the car guys are here. Saturday, Sunday. That's the beauty of staying and living in Malaysia, in KL, right? We get to enjoy our drives. Morning. We get to enjoy our drives, coming up here to the mountains and have a cup of coffee, chill. So in KL the weather is what, 30 over degrees, but up here is like 22 on a normal day. And yeah, our temple of speed, an unusual combo. Yep. So we used to do meetups and drive here. Now we no longer do meetups anymore. If you love driving, you want to come up here and meet friends, just come up here, park your car, start introducing yourself. Nobody knows one another. I'm correct, right? Nobody knows one another before we come up here and drive, right? Then we slowly became friends. Yeah, provided you are. Yeah, and after we all became friends, we all go for big drives, and here we have our friend from Netherlands and friends from Turkmenistan chatting. Oh yeah, I have a YouTube channel by the name of Bobby Ang. Yeah, he was asking for my IG just now. I'm like, I'm too old to play IG. So, yeah. Everyone here knows my channel. They are all my channel followers. So they join me for drives. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. So, yep. Have a good day. Very good. Remember all the Paganis and Koenigseggs park here, huh? Okay, ease in the brakes. Very good. Yeah, you can change direction if you want to. You can go this path if you want to. Up to you. Just be mindful of where we're going. Very good. Very good. It's correct. Sometimes you're not sure with where the front is. You sit higher up is correct. That's the right way to do. Okay. Aim for a smooth transition. Keep it smooth, very, very smooth. That's right. Slowly learn how to let the car turn back the wheel. Oh, a bit late here. It's okay, it's okay. Slowly learn how to let the car unwind the steering wheel by itself. Huh? Oh, very hot day. It's alright. Never mind. It's okay. Just remember it, lor. Huh? Nice. Good, very good. Very good. Very good. Slow, 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 slow. Slow. Yes. Don't get distracted, huh? You were distracted a bit just now, right? You're looking at the car, right? You okay? Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. You want to turn back the other way? Up to you. So later after you turn again. Turn. Okay, turn again. Turn more. Turn to this road. Then you make a left turn. Yes. Yeah. It's okay. So remember, the aim is to keep the throttle steady, and here also, now here you manage your braking. Your foot is on the brakes, let it slowly roll downhill with you controlling the speed, controlling the turn. Oh, you turn a bit too late, should start turning earlier. Okay, alright, continue. Keep the speed steady, learn how to manage a steady speed regardless of uphill or downhill. It's okay. Why? It's alright. Manage a steady speed turn. Start turning slow. Very good. Very good. Keep it smooth. Keep it smooth. Start turning. Yes. Yes. If you turn too much, you will notice the car slow down suddenly, right? Throttle. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. I can relax now. Next time you can send me to, you can drive me up Genting. No lah. Wait for a few more years. Yes, very good speed. Very good turn in. Let go, ready. Hey, why you? It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. The next round you do it smoother. Alright?